Residence, that is the first residential area of Dubai. And now the first construction I'm going to show you on the way. 1787. Nobody knows Asia Building. It was before the first war. And that is the masjid. This is the speciality of Arab countries, Muslim countries, no religious dispute. And now we are in a Mina Bazaar. Textile market, part of Mina Bazaar. But sorry, Mina Kumar is not going here. They are expecting. Mina is Arabic word. It means port. Close to the port market, close to the port bazaar, Mina market, Mina bazaar. The Asian, they are using Mina Zaledi. So when we saw Mina bazaar, oh, that is paradise. That is Jannah, Mr. Sajid is the one who is going to take us to the real that is paradise. Anybody knows that is paradise? That is should know. Gold market, soon. Got to. Actually, soon we are coming to the market. Paradise. It should be first. Which one? Please don't say spine, don't say cloth. This is Abra is a Persian word, which means way of water. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam yung Old Dubai, yun yung tinatawag nila na Old Dubai, kung saan matatagpuan yung first residential which is established in 17th century, di ba? The Puyatan. And then our second destination is the Gold Sock, right? This is the Gold Sock, friend, look.